Hi guys, welcome to Shade Tree Roadside Repairs channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change interior filter for Mazda 6 GH. So I'm going to use Ridex Plus Advanced Pollen Filter. They say this is kind of the fancy filter, so okay, let's start. So interior filter is placed behind this compartment. So let's open that. No matter what you have here, you need to just press kind of this side and this side, and after that you will be able to push it down. So let me do it. Okay, so I pushed it down, and right here you see the place where the filter installed. So I need to disassemble this white thing. So let me do that. Basically I can easily do it from this side. Okay, so it looks like this. So basically, yeah, and the filter is placed there. I have existing some filter. Let me take it out. I think it's in a great condition still. Yeah, it's in a pretty great condition. So anyway, I'm going to change it because I have a new one, and see that air actually goes down. So let's unpack this filter. Okay, so this is the new filter. So looks pretty good. Air goes down there. So you see it? Okay, and let's install it. Okay, so the filter installed, and now the final step is to install back this thing. Okay, as you see, it's installed. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to test, how air goes through the filter. No any bad sounds. Okay, and now I can just I can push the compartment back. So I'm going to be a bit careful here, and yeah, so as you see, it works. Okay, easy. Thank you for watching.